Hey guys, my name is Nisha and today we will learn about benefits of learning communication skills. Well, number 1 is quick in problem solving. Number 2 is strong decision making. Number 3 is more productivity. Number 4 is consistent in the workflow. Number 5 is strong business relation. Number 6, better control. Number 7, advanced professional image. And number 8 is better response from all the stakeholders. So guys, I hope that today you know the benefits of learning about communication skills. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe my channel and you can improve your communication skills for free. So subscribe, like, share and comment. Have a good day. Bye-bye.